Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Bitcoin and PayPal. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos. And that is, how do you cash out Bitcoin on PayPal? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to cash out your Bitcoin on PayPal anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe run an online marketing company like I do, and some of your clients want to pay you in Bitcoin directly into your PayPal, but you're not sure how to cash out that Bitcoin. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the PayPal app. It's this blue and white one right here on the top in the center. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my PayPal app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my PayPal app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cash out your Bitcoin in PayPal, it's really going to depend on what type of account you have. A lot of people have been messaging me saying that they don't have access to a Bitcoin wallet to send and receive. My account used to be like that, but I messaged PayPal and it opened up that feature. So you may need to message them. However, if you're in an area where they don't allow that, depending on your country or local laws, you're going to have to go about it a different way. So the first thing, no matter what, you're going to need to click here on finances down here on the bottom left. It looks like a little line chart. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see your PayPal balance. However, in order to cash out your Bitcoin on PayPal, you need to click on crypto here on the top right. Okay, so here you're going to see all the different cryptocurrencies that you have with PayPal. However, in order to cash out your Bitcoin on PayPal, click on this line right here. It's called Bitcoin. It has a little orange logo. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see the current trading price for Bitcoin. You can see it's around $43,000 right now. And in order to cash out your Bitcoin on PayPal, like I said, there are going to be two different ways. The first way is you can send it to a different wallet if you have that function. If so, you're going to click here on these two directional arrows. Once you do that, you will be able to enter in a different Bitcoin wallet address. So if you're just cashing out your Bitcoin into another wallet, you can send it through that function. If you don't have access to that, like a lot of people, you're going to need to sell your Bitcoin. Once it's sold, then it's going to go into your PayPal balance. Once it's in your PayPal balance, then you can go ahead and cash it out into your bank account. So you're going to click on this blue sell button here on the bottom right. Next, choose how much Bitcoin you want to cash out on PayPal. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do a little bit. All right, once you do that and you've chosen how much Bitcoin you want to cash out on PayPal, click on this blue next button. Okay, so here you're going to see the exchange rate. Just note that PayPal does charge a margin. So you can see the exchange rate is $42,826, which is less than what we saw on the mid-market rate. Also, they're going to charge me a transaction fee depending on how much Bitcoin you are cashing out of PayPal. So for me, I'm requesting $1 and I'm going to receive 51 cents. If all that looks good to you and you'd still like to go ahead and cash out your Bitcoin on PayPal, click on this blue sell now button. All right, so the page refreshes. You can see that I received 51 cents in my balance in PayPal from the Bitcoin that I cashed out in my PayPal. So I can go ahead and use that money from my PayPal account. So if I need to send someone a payment, that 51 cents is now inside my PayPal balance. And how you find that out is go here once again to finances here on the bottom left. Okay, so here it shows my available balance. You can see it has increased by 51 cents since we cashed out that Bitcoin on PayPal. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on balance. And then now that we're looking at my total PayPal balance, I can go ahead and transfer that out to my bank. So like Chase or Bank of America or whatever you have. So you're going to cash out your PayPal balance like you normally would. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cash out your Bitcoin on PayPal, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.